So beginning with what is minimalism, I'm pretty certain most of you know by the sound or the way what the word means. It's pretty obvious what it is. But typically, minimalism in today's day and age is to get rid of all the excess stuff that we have. And believe me, all of us have too much stuff. Okay, and on a very on a spiritual level, it enters your mindset also. Then you start to kind of realize that you are also harboring a lot of unnecessary thoughts, because our thoughts are us, let's face it. Our thoughts make who we are and how we think and how we respond to things, or people or relationships or circumstances, right? So now that said, this is not the way to do it, that pehle ji saman hata diya uske baad it will enter your brain. No, a lot of people I know actually practice minimalism in their heads first, and automatically their surroundings are pretty clean. And I would not say clean, what I mean is less clutter and less of stuff, right? So that is what minimalism, I think, does to you. Little did I know that it enters your mindset, because when you don't have stuff that you're not attaching any emotion with, तो फिर क्या बचा, फिर खालीपन बचता है, kind of you're left with like clean thoughts, you're left with emptiness in your head, you're left with space. Then I feel personally that as humans, we inherently are good people, is what I feel. All humans. So when there is space, no, positive space, then you only want to do better things in life. And your life starts to get sorted a little more. And then, like how Guinness Planet, whatever they are kind of promoting, right? They keep talking about compassion and empathy and understanding and tolerance, inclusiveness. वो सीखने की चीजें तो है नहीं. That is something that we all have. It's just that we forget. Why? Because we are caught up with so much of clutter. By clutter, I seriously don't mean in our homes or in our lives. I also mean clutter of thoughts now all the time. अरे पैसे कितने मिलेंगे, अरे ये वाली गाड़ी कब लेंगे, वो वाला घर का लोन कब होगा, रिलेशनशिप में ये चल रहा है. It's always like random shit going on in our heads, no? So minimalism is what helps you it just liberates you. And when it does, then all these beautiful feelings which were already there kind of start blossoming. And it's very natural, it's very effortless. Okay, so that is what minimalism basically is. Now, if I were to answer who is eligible for minimalism, I feel that everybody on this planet, starting from when they're born, like when they understand, like the 3 or 4, all the way till all the number of years that you're going to live. So anybody who's not already practicing minimalism is eligible for it. Okay, is what I feel. And now the why. So we are all on Instagram, we are all on Facebook, we are obviously all, pura social media, everything. On top of that, COVID has made online shopping, digital marketing, digital advertising, it's the norm, right? You can now purchase everything online. Now just for a second, if you can just ponder over this one thought, deficit advertising, what does it mean in very simple terms? I'll tell you what happens to me, okay? So let's say आज मुझे ना यहाँ स्किन पे कुछ प्रॉब्लम हुआ है, कुछ भी, anything, and I've got time between, let's say, my work, okay, like I'm doing certain things and बीच में मेरे को time मिला है 10 मिनट, तो obviously like the rest of us phone उठा लो, है ना, और phone पे क्या करना है, चलो जी start surfing. And then obviously, I mean, Google and everything has all our choices and blah, all of that, they know where we went, what we like, everything. So if I have a pimple, and then I suddenly, कितने आजकल influencers है ना, so-called influencers, okay, so वो आते हैं ना ads आजकल, fast forward वाले ads आते हैं ना, where ऐसे टुड़ुम करके उसके बाल ऊपर जाएंगे and suddenly उसका चेहरा ऐसे सफाद चाट हो जाएगा, then you get very convinced, है ना, you do. And why do you get convinced? Because you are feeling lesser, right? So मेरा pimple है, let's say it's a pimple ad, okay? So the lady has lots of pimples, then she'll show all these products, organic blah, and then uska aise khadak karke face jayega and zoop, it is like that. That is deficit advertising, guys, okay? What deficit? That means I'm deficient, right? I'm deficient, I'm less, so I'm going to obviously purchase that. And let's face it, the best of us get tempted, don't we? कि हाँ, इससे मेरी त्वचा कितनी सुंदर हो जाएगी. This applies to every, and especially women, okay? It applies to us because The world is like that ना, बना तो दिया है हमें ऐसे कि जी बाल अच्छे होने चाहिए, त्वचा अच्छी होनी चाहिए, body, figure, सब nonsense things. Isn't it true? Right? That's what deficit advertising is. That's what it does. Which is why what happens is you get tempted and then you don't stop because everything is on wallets. Everything is like आपका पासवर्ड सेव्ड है, आपका सब पिन सेव्ड है, सब सेव्ड है. It will take 2 clicks, ठक ठक, delivered on its way tomorrow. Correct? That is happening, and therefore we are hoarding. I mean, I want to ask you, out of let's say 20 items you buy, seriously you use all 20? No ना, उसमें से let's say हमने 20 creams खरीदी, उसमें से एक ही काम आएगी ना फाइनली, बाकी 19 तो पड़ी हुई हैं, एमी पड़ी हुई हैं. Imagine if we start calculating the cost, and they're not cheap. Let's face it, we are not living in a cheap world, right? And you will not buy cheap stuff for your skin. I'm just talking about skin right now so that it kind of hits home. Will you buy stuff which is very cheap just for your skin? You won't. You will, because you'll be like organic, of course, and they'll do all that ना with you. कि ये तो जी इतना महंगा है, होना भी चाहिए जी, इसके अंदर तो ये यूज हुआ है, वो यूज हुआ है, which actually is everything is there in your kitchen, right? So आप सोचो, अगर for an example 1000 रुपए आपने 20 चीजों पे डाल दिए, so that's 20 grand, whereas you're using only one item for at least 4 to 5 months. Creams चलती है उतना, 19,000 you wasted happily, and it's lying around, it's using space, so it's draining you financially, it's draining your space, it's draining your mind because using up that space. This is called deficit advertising. Okay, that is number one. Number two, because it is a digital world, this is a very good example, huh? बहुत पहले ज़माने में जब लोग बस there was no internet, you would live in a neighborhood where you would just be influenced by your neighbors, right? कि अच्छा जी फलाना ढिमकाना ने तो ये खरीदा है तो हम भी खरीदेंगे. And neighborhood में typically same status, financial status के लोग रहेंगे ना, same, correct? By and large, if you look around you, you are among people that are the same thought process. By and large, आजकल थोड़ा चेंज हो रहा है, बट बाय एंड लार्ज पुराने जमाने की बात करूं तो सिमिलर फाइनेंशियल स्टेटस, सिमिलर आउटलुक टुवर्ड्स लाइफ, सिमिलर गोल्स. डू यू रियलाइज विद द इंटरनेट जब आया था तब फिर भी नहीं हुआ था, बट विद सोशल मीडिया. But let's assume I'm watching XYZ actress, XYZ sports person, XYZ industrialist ki beti, whatever, and she's suddenly done this or she's got these abs, and I'm like, yes, मैं भी करूँगी. In a way, am I not comparing myself with her? That is called vertical comparison, and that is incorrect. That is also, guys, messing with our heads, and which is why we've started to hoard, and we've started to have very unrealistic expectations out of products and things. So this is what happens. So this was like kind of setting a base for you to start to question every time you are buying things बिना सोचे समझे. Okay, just kind of think that why am I doing this? Do I really need this? That is number one of just, that's step one to thoda sa adopt minimalism, little bit. Okay, that is step one. When I say, so you understood the what, why, when is obviously now. Anything new you want to start, begin right now, right? That's also something that minimalism teaches you, whether it's exercise, whether it's giving up a certain habit or taking or adopting a new habit, apologizing to somebody, saying I love you to somebody, whatever, it needs to be done now, right? That's again something that minimalism taught me. Finally, so that I don't take too much of your time, how? Try it out. Okay, कि कैसे करें, how to do this is, let's say you want to start from tomorrow. Okay, it's a 30-day model. Day one, go to any room in your house, pick up one item which you don't need. It could be even paper, like suppose 5 साल पुराना पेपर रखा है जिस या रिसीट रखी है या कुछ रखा, anything which you feel is not needed by you anymore, take that and throw it. Okay, then you come to day 2, take 2 items. 2 items means go to your bathroom, pick up any cup holder, anything, उसके अंदर girls, सच बताओ वहां पे पिन्स और छोटे छोटे हेयर बैंड रखे होते हैं कि नहीं, एंड सेफ्टी पिन्स, रस्टेड सेफ्टी पिन्स, निकालो उनको. Okay, take 2. That's it. I'm asking for too much, not no na. And you will think that you're decluttering, you're tidying up पूरा. Trust me, नहीं हो रहा वैसे. Okay, because धीरे धीरे this will enter your head. The third day you'll take out 3 things. So by now, abhi tak main counting kar paungi, okay, math. So by now we would have done 6 items on day 3. On day 3, you've thrown 6 items. Day 4, 4 items. Day 5, 5 items, like that. You go on the 30th day, you will throw out 30 things. Now, my promise to you, my such a promise to you is that after 10 or 11 days, you will not look for things that are useless or अरे इसकी ज़रूरत नहीं है. You'll actually look at that thing and say, really, I don't think I need this. No, it's not. Somebody else needs it much more than me. Let it go. Let it go. That's something you can practice. That's the model that I wanted to really talk to you about. So the 30-day model, if you want to try, guys, believe me, it'll help. It'll really help. People have started it already. And I have a YouTube channel where I also have said this already, and they have already begun, and they're like, yes, there is so much we can get rid of.